We are given the question that there are three coins. One is a two-headed coin having head on both faces. Another is a biased coin that comes up heads 75% of the times, and third is also a biased coin that comes up tails 40% of the times. One of the three coins is chosen at random and tossed, and it shows heads. What is the probability that it was the two-headed coin? Or the second question is two numbers are selected at random without replacement from the first six positive integers. Let x denote the larger of the two numbers obtained. Find the probability distribution of the random variable x and hence find the mean of the distribution. So let's look at the first question. Given that there were three coins, let's name them ABC respectively. For coin A, which is double-sided head, probability of getting head will always be 1 as it is double-sided head. For coin B, it was 75% biased towards head, so the probability will be 3 by 4. And for coin C, the probability would be 0.6 as it was 40% biased towards head. So we have to find the probability A by H, that is the probability of getting head by coin A. So we can use the formula probability A by H is equal to PH by A into PA upon PH by A into PA plus PH by B into PB plus PH by C into PC, where PA is equal to PB is equal to PC is equal to 1 by 3, which is the probability of choosing any one coin, and that is 1 by 3. And we have defined PHA is equal to 1, PHB is equal to 3 by 4, PHC is equal to 0.6, that is probability of getting head by any of the three coins. So we put the value in formula, and by solving this equation we get the answer as 20 by 47. For the second question, the first six numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We have taken variable x is as the bigger number among two numbers, so we have made the probability distribution table as variable 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So if x is equal to 2 for px, the probability of event that bigger of the two chosen number is 2. So cases will be 1 and 2. So px value can be calculated as 1 upon 6c2, that is 1 by 15. If x is equal to 3, so the favorable cases are 1 comma 3 and 2 comma 3. Px is calculated as 2 6c2, that is 2 by 15. If x is equal to 4, favorable cases are 1 comma 4, 2 comma 4 and 3 comma 4. Px is calculated as 1 upon 64. So basically it comes to 3 by 15. If x is equal to 5, favorable cases increases to 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 2, 3 comma 5 and 4 comma 5. So px is basically 4 by 15. And if x is equal to 6, favorable cases are 1 comma 6, 2 comma 6, 3 comma 6, 4 comma 6 and 5 comma 6. So basically 5 by 15. So we can put all the values in the chart, and we get for variable 2 we get 1 by 15, for 3 we get 2 by 15, for 4 we get 3 by 15, for 5 we get 4 by 15, and for 6 we get 5 by 15. So the required mean is 2 multiplied by this, 3 plus 3 multiplied by this, plus 4 multiplied by this, plus 5 multiplied by this, and 6 multiplied by this. So when we solve this, we get the answer as 14 by 3.